Coconuts are a popular food source in many parts of the world. They are very versatile. From the bustling markets where they are sold to the lush farms where they are harvested, coconuts play a significant role in the daily lives of many people. We enjoy their refreshing water, creamy flesh, and fragrant oil. Coconut water is not only a hydrating drink but also packed with essential nutrients. The flesh, whether eaten raw or used in cooking, adds a unique flavor and texture to dishes. And let's not forget the oil, which is used in everything from cooking to skincare. The journey of the coconut from tree to table is a fascinating one. It starts with the careful harvesting of the fruit, often done by skilled workers who climb the tall coconut palms. Once harvested, the coconuts are gathered and transported to processing facilities. It is a journey that is increasingly being assisted by modern technology. Advanced machinery now helps in the harvesting and processing of coconuts, making the entire process more efficient and less labor-intensive. This technological advancement ensures that we can meet the growing global demand for coconut products. Coconuts have been enjoyed for centuries. Historical records show that they have been a staple in tropical regions for thousands of years. Traditional methods of harvesting and processing coconuts have been passed down through generations, preserving the cultural heritage associated with this remarkable fruit. They are a staple ingredient in many cuisines. From savory curries to sweet desserts, coconuts are used in a variety of dishes around the world. Chefs and home cooks alike appreciate the versatility and unique flavor that coconut brings to their recipes. The coconut's journey begins in tropical regions. These areas, with their warm climate and abundant rainfall, provide the ideal conditions for coconut palms to flourish. The sight of a coconut plantation with its rows of tall, swaying palms is truly a testament to the beauty of nature. These regions provide the perfect environment for coconut palms to thrive. The combination of sunlight, rain, and fertile soil ensures that the trees grow strong and healthy, producing an abundance of coconuts year after year. This natural bounty is a gift that continues to nourish and sustain communities around the world. Coconut palms grow in warm, humid climates. These climates are found near the equator. Countries in Southeast Asia, the Pacific Islands, and South America are major coconut producers. The coconut palm is a tall tree. It can grow up to 100 feet. The trees thrive in sandy soil. They need plenty of sunshine and rainfall. Coconut palms bear fruit all year round. It takes about a year for a coconut to mature. Harvesting coconuts is a challenging task. The process requires not only physical strength, but also a great deal of skill and precision. Coconut trees can grow up to 30 meters tall, making the task even more daunting. Traditionally, it was done manually. Farmers would use long poles with knives attached to the end to cut down the coconuts. This method, while effective, was labor-intensive and time-consuming. Farmers would climb the tall trees, often without any safety equipment. This made the job not only difficult but also dangerous. The risk of falling was high and injuries were common. They used sharp tools to cut down the mature coconuts. Precision was key, as a wrong cut could damage the tree or the fruit. The harvested coconuts would then be collected and transported manually. However, with the advent of technology, heavy machinery is now being employed. These machines have revolutionized the coconut harvesting process, making it faster and more efficient. This makes the process safer and more efficient. Modern machines are designed to handle the height and weight of the trees, reducing the risk of injury to workers. Mechanical tree climbers are now used. These devices can easily ascend the tall trees, allowing workers to reach the coconuts without the need for dangerous climbing. These machines allow workers to reach the top of the trees safely. They are equipped with safety features that prevent falls and ensure the workers' security. They can harvest the coconuts with ease. The machines are equipped with cutting tools that can precisely cut the coconuts without damaging the tree or the fruit. Specialized harvesting vehicles with extendable arms are also used. These vehicles can reach the highest coconuts and harvest them efficiently. These vehicles can reach and cut down coconuts from multiple trees without the need for workers to climb. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the physical strain on the workers, making coconut harvesting a much safer and more efficient task. Section 4. Sorting and grading technology meets tradition. Once harvested, the coconuts are transported to factories for processing. The first step is sorting and grading. This was traditionally done by hand. Workers would separate the coconuts based on size and maturity. Today, automated systems are used. These systems use sensors and imaging technology. This technology helps to sort the coconuts quickly and accurately. This ensures that only the best coconuts are used for further processing. Section 5, inside the coconut, shelling and processing. The next stage involves removing the outer husk of the coconut. This is called shelling. The husk is a tough, fibrous layer that protects the inner shell. Removing it requires specialized machinery designed to handle the rough texture and durability of the husk. Large shelling machines are used for this purpose. These machines are equipped with sharp blades and rotating mechanisms that efficiently strip away the husk, revealing the hard shell underneath. The process is both fast and efficient, ensuring that the coconuts are ready for the next stage of processing. These machines can process thousands of coconuts per hour. The high-speed operation is crucial for meeting the demands of large-scale production, especially in industries where coconut products are in high demand. The efficiency of these machines helps in maintaining a steady supply chain. Inside the husk is the familiar hard coconut shell. This shell is what we often see in stores and markets. It is incredibly durable and serves as the final protective layer for the coconut meat and water inside. This shell is cracked open to extract the coconut meat and water. The cracking process is delicate as it needs to ensure that the meat and water are not contaminated by shell fragments. Specialized cracking machines are used to achieve this precision. The coconut water is drained and collected. This water is highly valued for its hydrating properties and is often bottled and sold as a refreshing beverage. The collection process ensures that the water remains pure and uncontaminated. The white coconut meat is then separated from the shell and cleaned. This meat is used in a variety of products, from coconut milk to shredded coconut. The cleaning process removes any remaining shell fragments and prepares the meat for further processing. This is done using specialized machinery. These machines are designed to handle the delicate nature of the coconut meat, ensuring that it is not damaged during the cleaning process. The cleaned meat is then ready for the next stage of production, whether it be for culinary uses or other coconut-based products. Section 6, packaging and beyond, from factory to table. The processed coconut meat, or copra, is then dried. It can be further processed into various products. These products include desiccated coconut, coconut milk, and coconut oil. The final products are carefully packaged. This packaging ensures freshness and quality. The packaged coconut products are then shipped all over the world. They are ready to be enjoyed by consumers. Section 7. Conclusion. Technology's role in sweet rewards. The journey of the coconut from plantation to our tables is a testament to human ingenuity. The use of heavy machinery and technology has revolutionized the coconut industry. It has made the process more efficient, hygienic, and productive. This ensures that we can enjoy the unique taste and versatility of coconuts. We can do so knowing that they have been produced sustainably and with minimal environmental impact.